Leader of the House, Khemchand, informs that all deputy commissioners concerned have been instructed to procure relief materials for families affected by recent hailstorm and heavy rain across the state. The Chief Minister also said authorities have been directed to take geotagged photographs of damaged houses during field inspections to ensure proper documentation and prevent discrepancies during the relief process. He was responding to a calling attention motion raised by Congress MLA Khemchand in the House today. Raising the issue, Khemchand highlighted that extreme weather events in the past few days, including hailstorms and heavy rain, have damaged houses and caused large-scale crop losses in several districts, including Imphal West, None, Kaching, Bishnupur and Thoubal. The Congress MLA stressed that it is the responsibility of the government and relevant departments to ensure timely relief and assistance for families affected by the recent extreme weather conditions.